Hey JJ, how you doing? Sorry it took me a little while to get back to you. I'm gonna go ahead and put that board together for you using that image. So yeah, let me just show you how I would do it. So we have the image here. So let's go ahead and try to find something that is a little close to that. 6.0 shortboard probably would suffice. So I'll just start with that, and then I'm going to go ahead and open up the image. So I just saved it to my desktop, and then there we go. It actually looks like it's pretty almost right there in zone, so let's just start to position this image in here. And I'm going to go ahead and show the board not filled for now, just so we can get it all lined up. So I'm using the N and T tools or keys to push this into position. And I guess for what we're going for today, that actually would probably work right there. So now we can start to kind of pull the board together, or the outline I should say. So it's pretty straightforward. Might need to play around with those edges just a little bit if you don't want them as sharp as they are. But yeah, let's see what we got here. So yeah, I'll just line it up. I'm looking at the whole board, but I'm mostly using the top rail up here to our top outline to kind of get it into position. And let's just move around a little bit. Yeah, let's spot check it. So that's looking kind of in zone for the outline there. Pretty straightforward. Nice image you got here, so not too bad. I suppose if you want to kind of get the nose a little bit more dialed, we can get that in there as well. Yeah. It's looking pretty good. Maybe want the nose a little bit pointier, but should be okay. So yeah, and then we'll just get rid of the image so we can see what we're working with here. And I'll do it show board filled. So yeah, that's kind of how to put the outline together. Let's see what else you sent me. So it looks to me like you do want this edge on the rail. I'll go ahead and put this in here for you now, and just so I don't know if this is exactly the end state of the board, but just to show you how to kind of get that together. Go into the slices, we'll find our center slice here, and then we'll just kind of start to pull this flat. So we start getting it where we kind of want it. So we're kind of achieving what we're going for here. I'll just kind of keep pushing this out so we get it kind of dialed in there. So that's how you could kind of make this rail with that edge, by adding this point in here. And then obviously you can kind of like get it to your liking. But for now, I think that's probably a decent starting point. And then what I would do to get that edge all the way across the top deck line is start taking out these slices. You can add them back in. What you could do is if you want to keep this top rail line the same but change the bottom transition, you could do a file export slice. Just save that, and then we could import this same slice in. It's going to ask us where to put it, so I'll put it a foot from the tail. And then you can see it just duplicated that slice, but auto-adjusted it. So same for the nose. If you actually take this out, it should blend all the way into the nose now. But if you wanted that slice at the top, same thing. You would just import that slice that we had used. This is board 6.0, so we'll go a foot off the nose. Then obviously we'll get in the rocker. I didn't see what you wanted for that, but so now you can see how that edge kind of trails the entire board. Looks like it's a bit more pronounced in the picture you sent, but I think you can kind of get the idea where you could pull this up and make it more flat. Yeah, so you can see that rail in here now. But yeah, that's essentially how you'd kind of go to start putting that together. You know, let me know what you think, and if we want to make that rail line a bit more pronounced, let me know and we'll put it together. Cool, thanks, man.